Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to go through a command called align, which you can use to align a document or an image with information in your project model. It's a very streamlined command that saves a lot of time from the way we used to do things, but it's very helpful. You're constantly going to be bringing in either an aerial photograph potentially, or an as-built survey, or some other plan drawing from another consultant. You need to align that image to your project model that you've built in CAD. And this align command will help you do that with ease. Let's learn. Welcome back, guys. I'm going to show you how to align an aerial photograph with AutoCAD using the align command. So one thing that you want to be careful of is to make sure that you select items of high contrast that are on the ground. Different aerial photographs may have an vantage point of kind of looking easterly or looking westerly. So if you pick a roof line, those objects may not line up with the ground, but if you pick something on the ground, then it's going to provide a much better result. Here I picked the corner of the concrete driveway and the asphalt driveway. The red is the picture that I want to align, and then down on this end I picked a little white dot that could be concrete around a hydrant or a water valve or something like that potentially. And the red is the source that I want to move, and the green is where I want to move it to. So I'm going to select the line and the object that I want to move, type in align, pick the first source point, which is the object that I'm moving, to the first destination, which is there. And then I'm going to pick my second source and my second destination. I don't have a third point, so I'm just going to right click, and then it asks if I want to scale it. Yes, and it moves over. So you can see that this now lines up. When I turn that off and then come down here to the AutoCAD aerial, that lines up, and I turn that post aerial back on, and there it is. Thank you.